your eyes. Make a wish.
Close your eyes. Anong gusto mo? Panalangin mo.
And blow your candle. Alright, once again, sabay-sabay natin batiin si Cal na malakas na happy birthday in 3, 2, 1!
Happy birthday!
Alright, ayan, pwede na po muna tayo umupo and mag-relax as